Hi, I'm Lou, and I'm going to show you how I built my own whole house humidifier out of these fountain misters. There are several vendors of this same model, and they usually go for about $10 to $12, but I was lucky and got these for $7 each. So this is a 5-gallon bucket, and I've got 17 of them down in there, and then I have a float valve to keep the water at about 2 inches deep, which is what they want. When I turn it on, it looks like this. And this is a suction pipe that takes the humidity up and into the furnace right there. The mist is being sucked in below the filter so it doesn't get it wet. So it definitely works, but is DIY the smart choice? I found this humidifier on Amazon. It costs $320 and has 3,000 milliliters per hour, or about 3 liters. That works out to $107 per liter. Each of these puts out about 500 milliliters per hour. So 17 of them put out about 8.5 liters per hour. All the misters and the float valve cost $126. That works out to $15 per liter. So buying it ready-made off of Amazon will cost you $107 per liter, whereas doing it yourself will only cost you $15 per liter. Thanks for watching.